I belong to Ewaso Nyiro North Development Authority. Ewaso Nyiro has no impact at all in my constituency. I would have rather been categorized or named otherwise. It has no relevance.
Very well, the Honorable Ibrahim Saney.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Quite often than not, we always take pride in being under the tutelage of a very pragmatic and progressive constitution, 2010. This bill, in a big way, I feel contradicts the spirits and the principles of the same constitution. I rightly agree with my predecessor in contributing to what really is regional. We only have two regional entities, and that is the national level, the national tier, and the county tier.